Yeah, right, folks. This is a key fob. We're going to change the key fob battery. This is for a Mazda. This is actually for a CX9. But any other Mazdas, they have the 4 buttons over here. Some only have the 3 buttons, but it's basically the same thing. Okay. The battery is located in the back. Okay. You don't want to mangle it to change the battery or something else happened to this one. But I'm going to show you how it works. All right. There's a little lever over here that takes this emergency key out. Just push down on this lever and this piece comes out. All right, push it off to the side. Now inside here, you're gonna see a little slot. See it? Slot there and a slot there. So you need a screwdriver. Nice average size screwdriver is good. I got this nice little tiny one over here. I'm gonna stick it right here in this slot and give it a nice little twist. When you give it a twist, it's gonna open it up. See it? Do the same thing to this side. Go, give it a nice little twist. And once it's cracked open, you can put your nail in there, or you could just use the screwdriver and just pop it open. Once you pop it open, the battery is found underneath this plastic piece. And that's the battery right there. It tells you right there what it is. It's a CR2025. So you use a little nail there. You can just lift this up. Like I said, it's just a little plastic cover. There it is. All right. So there's your battery. CR2025. Just pop it right out. Put this back in. This actually gets centered in the middle. Holds the battery center. Dun, dun, dun. Push it in. Put this little cover back on. Okay. Make sure it snaps on nice. Sealed on both sides. See that? Pretty simple. Then put your key back in. Dun, dun, dun. Done. All right. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.